Are you looking for the best car body fillers? I have compiled a list of top car body fillers this year. These are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Before we start, I have a question, guys. Which one are you using right now, and what's your opinion on it? Let me know in the comment section. Number 1. 3M Bondo 261 Lightweight Filler. We'll kick off our list with this product, a Bondo body filler, though it's actually made by 3M, so technically it's a 3M body filler. Does it matter? Only that we want to give credit where credit is due, because we're starting with an early frontrunner for best car body filler on the market. Bondo have a well-earned rep for making great car filler products, and this example is from the premium end of the market. It is a lightweight filler, which makes it perfect for fixing up the little dings and dents that are the most common type of damage a vehicle will pick up during day-to-day driving.
Hi, I'm Travis with 3M Auto Care. The Bondo brand offers different types of filler depending on your repair. They all come with hardener, which is mixed with the filler prior to the application on the vehicle. On the left is Bondo Body Filler, an American original. It quickly and easily fills in dents, scrapes, chips, cracks, and rust holes and won't shrink. The can just to the right is Bondo Professional Gold Body Filler. It's ideal for cars 1998 or newer because it has quicker adhesion on galvanized coated metals. It also has a smooth texture that makes it easy to mix and apply. Bondo Fiberglass Resin and Bondo Fiberglass Resin Jelly are great for repairing minor rust outs in a variety of materials. You can add fiberglass cloth or mat if you need more strength. Our fiberglass resin is the strongest repair option, and it's also waterproof. Bondo Glass Filler and Bondo Hair Filler contain chopped fiberglass for added strength. Bondo Glass Filler is for holes smaller than a dime, while Bondo Hair Filler can fix holes up to 1 inch in diameter. 3M body repair products enable just about anyone to make their car look better.
Number 2. Permatex 25909 Liquid Metal Filler. The next product we'll look at, Permatex 25909 Liquid Metal Filler, is all about ease of use. As a compound that is part of a wider family of adhesives, there is no mixing required here. Simply pop the lid off of the tube, squeeze it into the cracks, dents or dings, and smooth it down. Simple and easy. As it is an adhesive compound, it is also naturally equipped with excellent adhesive qualities. That is another reason why it is so easy to use, because you can trust that it will adhere to the vehicle quickly and efficiently. This brand of filler also has a huge range of compatibility with a number of materials like metal, wood, and concrete.